How to get verified leads with Claude AI for free. Need verified leads without paying for expensive tools? Let's walk through how to use Claude AI free for lead generation. So start by accessing Claude through free interfaces like Endless Claude. This gives you unlimited prompts without subscription limits. Now you can also use scraping tools like API to pull business data from Google Maps or LinkedIn. Export results into a clean spreadsheet. You can go ahead and run the scraped emails through free verification tools like Hunter.io or Never Bounce. This ensures your leads are valid and reduces bounce rates. Now feed Claude structured lead data, name, company, role. Use prompt templates to generate personalized outreach messages that sound natural. Claude can format leads into CSV or Excel style tables. Export them for easy upload into your CRM or email campaign tool. Always follow GDPR and the Data Privacy Act. Include opt out options in outreach and avoid spammy bulk campaigns. Claude AI saves time by automating personalization and formatting. Combined with free scrapers and verification tools, you get clean, verified leads at zero cost.